Welcome to our instructional video on how to change the language of your cPanel control panel. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process of adjusting the language settings to your preferred language. By following these simple steps, you can easily navigate and manage your hosting account in the language of your choice. Let's get started. Step 1. Accessing cPanel control panel. To begin, open your preferred web browser and enter the URL for your cPanel control panel. Log in using your username and password provided in the activation email or log in to your client area and click on Login to cPanel button. Once you've successfully logged in, you will be directed to the cPanel dashboard. Step 2. Locating the language settings. Within the cPanel dashboard, scroll down until you find the Preferences section, or on top search type Language and click the Look for the Change Language or Language option and click it. This is where you can customize the language settings of your control panel.